Talking about the weather in Shina language. Arrobazi Murkaliu Mosam ka bayan. To me, you can email me on this email. The first sentence which I want to teach you is how is weather outside? How is weather outside? Arrohana Bergan. How is weather outside? How is weather outside? Arrohana Bergan. We can also call Arrohana Berrohan. So if one accent of nice Berrohan, one accent we can call it as Berrihan. Arrohana Berrohan. Arro means weather. Hana is used for asking the question. Han means is. Arrohana Berrohan. Yeah, Arrohana Berrihan. How is weather outside? How is weather? Mosam kaisa hai? The second sentence is, it is very cold outside. It is very cold outside. Daru bodo shidalohan. It is very cold bodo shidalohan. It is very cold outside. Daru bodo shidalohan. Daru means outside. Bodo means much. Very. Shidalo means cold. Han means is. It is very cold outside. Daru bodo shidalohan. So in Urdu we can call Bahir bahut sardi hai. The next sentence I want to talk about is it snowing outside? Hinwana. Snowing means hin. Hinwana, snowing, is also used as noun and verb in Shina language. Hin, if it is snow outside, we can call it as hin. Outside, there is snow fallen outside is also called hin. Hinhana, hinwana. So hinwana, is it snowing outside? Kya barbari ho rahi hai? Will it rain today? Ash arwaya. Ash means today. Arru means rain. Vaya means will be raining. Will it be raining? For verb in Shina language, vaya we are using. Ash arwaya. Ash arwaya. Will it rain today? Kya aaj barish hogi? Ash arwaya. Next is, was it rained last night? Ratu arwatusa. Ratu arwatusa. क्या कल रात बारिश हुई थी? रातु अर्वतुसा और रातु अर्वतुसा both are correct. कल रात बारिश हुई थी? रातु अर्वतुसा. There is a rainbow. Biron nikhatim. Biron nikhatim. Kos kaza nikli hai. Danak nikli hai. So biron means rainbow. Nikhating means it's visible, it's out there. There is rainbow, biron nikhating. Biron nikhating, biron is rainbow. Next is, today it is very windy here. Ash an kuri o shiwang. Ash an kuri o shiwang. Ash an kuri o shiwang. Ash means today, an means here. Kuri means very, O Shivang, windy. So O Shivang means to be windy. Ashan Kuri O Shivang. Today it is very windy here. आज यहाँ बहुत तेज हवा चल रही है. Thank you so much. Thank you to Youthamos in Shina language. Shukriya. Thank you to Youthamos. Shukriya.